and Newsome. They swing it around to Durham. Mintis si AD, but look at the rebounding again of the Bolts, and Quinto gets away.
The biggest strong suit of the Meralco Bolts, ang kanilang depensa, ang kanilang pace, but really that rebounding.
Say daw talaga na kapag nandito si AD, siya yung difference sa Meralco Bolts.
Definitely difference maker, Alan Durham, as you saw that spectacular. Oh, nice look away by Parks, and an even better finish by KJ.
And these are the types of turnovers that if you're Meralco, you don't want to give that up because TNT will make you pay. They're so quick, they're so athletic.
Jason turns on the afterburners. Parks will lay it home.
Parks a lot more aggressive in this ball game already with 9 points.
Chris lilipad.
Wow, that was a difficult shot. Chris Newsome, he wanted to get the 2 points. Alam mo, ang maganda dito kay Chris Newsome, you can feel.
Apat ang abante ng TNT. Hindi magawang pito ni Parks dito. McDaniels powers it back up.
That's just athleticism by KJ McDaniels. 14 points.
Extra pass to the lane. One dribble, pull up. Alexis strings together 5. And Meralco is in the lead.
Gotta love that adjustment.
Miguelo. Down the gut of the defense. RR sweeps it home.
He just went up for that shot. Would not be denied. 10 points now for Paloy.
Under pushes to Newsome. Lilipad si Chris.
Taking it strong to the hoop. The third quarter has been the quarter so far of Meralco. At the end of 24.
He uses quickness, bounces it over to Quinto. He's got Castro on him. Quinto spins away. Gets the basket because of a foul.
They are going to the matchup. They feel on the post, Bong Quinto.
12 abante na Meralco, the largest of the game. McDaniel somehow, someway got through.
Another option for TNT. Give it to KJ McDaniels and let him attack.
Amer on the move, flips it up. Hule after the Seahawks to clean it up. Meralco has outscored TNT 12-3 in this quarter so far, Dom. It reads 6. Newsome to the cup.
Once he gains steam, it's so difficult to stop Chris Newsome because he can finish.
Parks with the leather, hands it off. Castro on the attack.